at all points in time, and this is the context that Twitter just will never understand. You'll have nano-term, short-term, medium-term, long-term, generational term. Obviously, you could probably chunk it down into other bits and bobs. So, and with some assets, you may not even have a view. So, if we take Tau, let's just take Bitcoin. So, nano-term. So, I'm thinking, over a week or so. So for me, that's pretty short term. Well, under a week. It's I'm bearish. But what about short term? Short term is less than a month, in my opinion. I'm meh. Medium term, bullish. And then it's exactly the same for the others. Mega bullish. Until cycle end, obviously. And then generational term is like the most bullish you can get. Like, we all know Bitcoin's going to be here for forever, pretty much. And so this is why I don't like posting out on Twitter, because I say something and people think, Simon's bearish, and 2 minutes ago he said he was bullish. It's not that. It's just that you should always have different stances based on the time frame that you're looking at something. So yeah, at the moment, in the nano-term sense, I'm mildly bearish. There we go. Mildly bearish. That is it. That is it. Short term, who knows? And when I say, within a month, I mean, we've got the elections, so God knows. So hence it's a mere... but medium to long term is really bullish until the cycle end. Again, that's another bit of context, which is very crucial. Mega bullish. Here we go. A bit more post stimmies until cycle end. There we go. Bit more context. So yeah. At the moment, I'm just nano bearish until we can break out of this little bit of a slump. So it's interesting. It does. Yeah. Just waiting. Again, I could be wrong. I mean, that is one hell of a halo on the daily chart. I mean, isn't that the perfect Kobo? It breaks out of a big resistance level. It pumps back down, Kobos it off nicely, and it's a halo, sort of chef's kiss. Mwah, bye bye. So yeah, we will see. The other concern I have in the short term is this. There's a bit of a rising compression in the short term. And I don't know if this is a fake out at the moment. So, but either way, I think whatever the chart says, the elections are just going to do crazy stuff. So who knows? But yeah, with Tau, I think we should, if I'm correct, we should see movements down in the next 2 days, either today or tomorrow. Yeah, over the next 48 hours. If I don't see movement down over the next 48 hours, I will abandon this sidestep and just buy back in, regardless. And you must not cry over spilt milk with, a sidestep gone wrong. Casper. So Casper's just worked out exactly as I thought so far. We have had that move down to 12.5. So that hole has well and truly been filled. It tickled it first here with these little spikes. And now it properly moved into it, and it hit sort of 12 cents. And I don't like this pullback either. This is not a nice pullback for Casper. This is definitely a reflexive thing. So I do see, more movements to the downside for Casper. So that's that. Tau Casper's, still relatively high there. Tau again is forming what looks like a mega falling compression here. I mean, look at that. It is literally, oh, mind you, crypto loves a flat top or a flat bottom. Actually, yeah, so conventionally, on a conventional asset, I'd say that's mega bullish, but the fact that this level here, this is getting smothered to shit, I don't like. Obviously, I'm not going to buy or sell, but yeah. Zappy's on CoinMarketCap now. Actually, I haven't actually looked at it. CoinMarketCap. Zappy. There we go. Well, hey. It will only have charting from when it was on here, so it looks a bit shit. If someone just came across this and went, no. I just saw Mig saying, go all in on Townie with a $5. Yeah. And unfortunately, this is one of the things I don't like about memes, is that a little bit of money goes a long way. So yeah, any of us could pump this out of this compression to the upside or downside. So I could literally sell 5 or 10 grand's worth of Townie right now, and it would just dump below here. And likewise, I could buy 10 grand right now and start the kickoff with this, which is shit. I just don't like memes. I know everyone's talking about the Murad meme super cycle, but at the cuddle, I'm going to be talking more about that and why I think it's going to be incredibly foolish to have a large proportion of your portfolio in memes. I really wouldn't do it, folks. Really wouldn't.